Porsche continues to expand the 911 lineup, this time with the launch of the new all-wheel drive S variants, the Carrera 4S Coupe, Cabriolet, and the Targa 4S. These models now offer more standard features, added performance, and of course, a noticeable price bump compared to the outgoing versions. Under the hood, all three models share the same 3.0-liter twin turbocharged flat 6 engine, now pushing out 473 horsepower and 390 pound-feet of torque. That is the same horsepower figure as the previous Carrera GTS, but just slightly down on torque. The engine gains most of its extra power from the upgraded intercoolers borrowed from the 911 Turbo. All models are paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, as Porsche reserves manual gearboxes for only a few select models like the Carrera T and GT3. Performance upgrades do not stop at the engine. The 4S versions now come with a standard sports exhaust system and the larger brake components from the earlier GTS. Adaptive dampers, 20-inch front and 21-inch rear wheels, and a rear limited slip differential remain standard equipment. Options like the sport suspension, carbon ceramic brakes, rear axle steering, and the Sport Chrono package are still available, although the Targa 4S now includes rear axle steering as standard. Inside the cabin, Porsche has added more leather trim and brought over the latest updates found in the refreshed 911 lineup. That includes the all-digital gauge cluster, which has sparked some debate among enthusiasts. The Coupe now comes standard as a two-seater, but buyers can opt for the 2+2 layout at no additional cost. That seating configuration remains standard on the Cabriolet and Targa. Porsche says nearly half of all 911 S models sold in the United States are equipped with all-wheel drive, making these new additions essential. Previously, the only way into a facelifted all-wheel drive 911 was through the more expensive hybrid Carrera 4 GTS, so the 4S variants effectively lower that threshold. Of course, all of this comes at a cost. The 2026 Porsche Carrera 4S Coupe starts at $156,450, which is more than $16,000 over the 2024 version. The Carrera 4S Cabriolet is priced at $169,650, and the Targa 4S tops the trio at $171,350. While that is a steep increase, Porsche customers rarely hesitate. Demand for new 911 models continues to exceed supply. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the newest cars hitting the road.